In the heart of Silverpine Forest lived a lone wolf named Raka. His fur shimmered under the moonlight, and his eyes burned with quiet fire. He once had a pack, a family that hunted, played, and howled together. But pride tore that family apart. Raka was strong, brave, and fast, maybe too proud of it. When his brother Taro became the new alpha, something inside him snapped. He thought, I could lead better. I don't need anyone. So one cold night, beneath a silver moon, Raka growled, I'll make it on my own. I don't need the pack. And just like that, he turned and walked away, alone into the dark forest. At first, being alone felt amazing. No rules, no one telling him what to do. He hunted when he wanted, slept wherever he pleased, and felt free for the first time in his life. But freedom can get lonely fast. As winter rolled in, the rivers froze solid. The deer vanished, the nights got colder and longer. Raka grew thinner every day. The same forest that once felt alive now felt empty and cruel. One evening, desperate and starving, he caught the faint scent of deer across a frozen lake. His heart pounded. Finally, food. He crouched low and crept forward. But when he leapt, crack! The ice shattered beneath him. He plunged into freezing water, gasping for air, claws scraping at the slick ice. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't pull himself up. His strength faded, his body trembled. And in that moment, the proud wolf, who once said he needed no one, lifted his head and howled for help. Far away, deep in the forest, that howl reached familiar ears. Taro, the alpha, froze mid-step. It was Raka's voice, faint, weak, but still alive. Without hesitation, he barked to the pack. That's Raka! Let's move! Now! They raced through the snow, paws pounding against the frozen ground. When they reached the lake, they saw him. Raka, half submerged, eyes fading. Working together, they broke the ice and pulled him free. He collapsed on the snow, barely breathing. Taro stood beside him, his breath heavy. You said you didn't need us, he said softly. But a wolf without a pack isn't really a wolf at all. Tears formed in Raka's tired eyes. I was wrong, he whispered. I thought being strong meant standing alone. But real strength is standing together. Taro's expression softened. Then come home, brother. You've always been one of us that night. The wolves huddled together in their den. Outside, the storm howled, but inside, there was warmth. There was forgiveness. There was family. When spring came, the forest bloomed again. Raka, now stronger and wiser, walked beside Taro. No rivalry, no pride, just respect and understanding. When younger wolves bragged about their power, Raka would simply smile and say, a single wolf can howl loud, but a pack can make the mountains echo. From that night on, every time the moon rose high, the forest filled with howls, not of loneliness, but of unity. And among them, Raka's voice carried the loudest, a reminder that echoed across the hills. True strength isn't about standing alone. It's about standing together. Moral of the story: pride can make us believe we don't need anyone, but life's hardest moments remind us we're all stronger when we have people beside us.